ena Ghana Premier League 2026-2027 eshase ewo eye Ghana ha na yenim se Kotoko ne has de be start league se ya ana hu se players ni we be ko we musu beba na ye hu se ampa ebia wotie chi na hwe the kind of recruitment Kotoko ne has na ya enokra ma hu so okay this season Kotoko be ya de has be ya de dibi kra me ye me tofo a me duwe be sha me yiwe afri anam duwe akwa ha sa nkomoni nyina no eno ne nkoma mpese ne yedi ewo eye dwumadi so ye be say the general outlook of Kotoko and then Hasselfolk nkomo no ase kire nyina enie na say sambo hwa Kotoko ne hasi ye be statistics nyame ado ase de makane ene boso me pepepe ba besi ne asa ye nse da hu say Kotoko to play away or to play away has to players way akanini enimu omo no but obetia so omu ja players ne kwan nansia yente kra Asante Kotoko ya to kwampoku ya te Ebiche Bafo Francis Akwanom ene Benjamin Tuma o ye goalkeeper ezo mu nyina no monko na omonko petim fufuro emo but ebesi ne no yente sa Asante Kotoko so obi ye the players we mu na eba na omonso abebo season no ede ama aya Asante Kotoko this time there na two teams say if you so bagana hom ne super no there na omo eye na no babo omo ama season na ye wura mu no de Asante Kotoko ene Hasselfolk na nim se ene no mba ye wo season no betimi aboa omo madu eye sa season no ana ene ne nkoma ene mpese yi na no yedi ewo eye fidie so tu betimi do message number in 4.5 FM on Facebook, YouTube, and Nhyira TV. Na ini na ni nkomo no emfa entos Jude osuba for Jude na bibia boko de
nyame adom rich na nso e
nyame adom me ho ye pa Asante Kotoko adan sika ni ho ana
we be say good question na me ansan wo ye but me hwe ade ketua bi o say na o ka no say Kotoko agya players bi ko na ye de aba omo ewo ho nso rich uni made first of all me who Kotoko players are ye ja omo kwan no me who one particular name I was shocked. Metro the Intia, me shocked.
Player no.
Benjamin Chum.
Okay.
The goalkeeper.
That left goalkeeper no.
No, okay. Francis Akwa said yes. Benjamin Chum. Only the am me shocked. Me Kwampoku it was expected. Francis Akwa munina no certainly Moshe one player no ni age to say Francis Akwa around 25-26. Or by what me proving the metal. Because offer Kotoko last season, Kotoko signed 14 players. 14 players. No, yeah, the one better so. It was Hubert Jau, Lord Hilary Adabo, Seth Kojo, Aziz Adari, so Kaisa goalkeeper now, or that Bichim United on him go that year. Philip Amo, Inusa Adams, Walid Fuseni, Johnson Osu, Morfin Donzumun Nababekau, including Zakaria Fuseni and Shaib Abakari, and Musa Hamzata, and Abrante and Joseph Amour. Now, Osha Benjamin Chuma the Remfi or die. Edema Yankasa Yenia, you also on the players, no, Omo Ankani, you know, creator Young Apostles, creator Yera Donfe, on the first no be United chairman. On under 20 na ye koi, I come who has some talented squad. Benjamin Chum was their goalkeeper, a very fantastic goalkeeper. So one you baba player ni profile no dey ban was national team jersey. Secondly, osai wo H on the side. Na utie Kotoko nkomo na miwura mu yi a. Rich ade mi hu ni say Abrante no. Per de minya information minya kire say omo feel say as a content with say obe second choice. Sa mindset no ni trim enti o man ne so and they expect that or say o man ne so. Some factors in our can and also Mujana Quine. But Rich Mimi Diemie, a goalkeeper, I was a national team jersey, national under 20 goalkeeper.
No, secondly, science data.
Perfect. Secondly, also will age on the side. Rich or age on the side. Me ma history kakra Kotoko anye bia yenkai bibi me patrol 2022 World Cup. The only Asante Kotoko player call 2022 World Cup. Na ehwan. Anya Danlad Ibrahim. Danlad Ibrahim. Oba Kotoko no assassino. Okay, see the Nilo ni Kim Faisal. Oko brekum Chelsea no na. Now part of the process your person did developing because that time no Kotoko L trade top class goalkeepers. Okay, Kwame Bamo. Sa Omoino.
Abalora no.
Razak Abalora mo. Danlad, sorry, Felix Annan at a point Okoware by
Alfedu losing in the position.
And so now it was understandable so with the kind of goalkeepers or any competition no. Danlad nyakwa in room. Yenja de kwan rather yellow ni the kakra or cooking Pfizer kakra no ko brekum Chelsea kakra ni nyina boa abrantie no. Sa Danlad and so that man is under 20. Rich, finally, Yako 2022 World Cup. The only Asante Kotoko player or Kobe, I and so far so me pachanya Danlad Ibrahim. So over this boy, the trajectory no similar. And the other wunya branche we umre enya ne ho abotrese oh. Chale ma mensha akra we pair ne prospect okra. O se national team Jesse, o say what prospect. That ye bedi ne ho mfaso. Even say the act of indiscipline in Paunim. And Jane Mane Nkokwa. Loni no. Right person so nya me point here pa. Loni no because that him ye bedi no mfaso. Enye player bia ne ka say indiscipline nti suddenly me Jane Nkokwa o. Rich anya sa be we no be no ho. Person so nya me point ni ye. Ti sa brand ne de no mpanyimfo mo adwene nkoso ye because me nim say as a matter of fact last season kra na nko mu jara manako. Ba fatao Seidu no. E onu nti no mo enja that time na no mo de no akolo no. Nuntia. Tiama ya adwene mra saa niam no so na transfer no. Ye hu ha we be niam anya sa obi jai talent bi. Obi wienu anu hu. Secondly rich. Ye nyina ya ka asem we adi nkomo we say Kotoko. No create do. The rate at which I order any signings no. Because you can say check it critically. Since the departure of Rane Amponsa. Kotoko assigned almost 100 players. So him sir. Yeah, the both season, a do on more 16 players, 18. Yeah, then it's hard in the sir. Even last season, 14 players near sign. And you see, ye team, sir. Team, no. Shebe be a weakness. Baby, be so na strengthen. Coach or Harry Tinkler, say he would want to work with 25 players. Maximum should be 26. But all the point, maximum should be 26. And it's a abro. Now, no crowds will say youth team players. You drafted almost into the senior team at a point. Meti figure around 5, 6, and later meti bear 9. So the point is that the coach near Biano. There is a reason to it. And rich, ye can say Eric Tinkler by no, and suddenly on this 14 director can't boom when I tell say Kotoko players bear 8, 10. Unim zanke be raise questions. And ke krone be blame me omo. Now I gathered say secretly. Omo ye omo ne ma signings read the ebi baba utie me respect omo position enya bibia na ye media no because say e be person e be ba be break story no ye ya etu e be in to our benefit eye interest near you but they bia na anya to the benefit of Asante Kotoko because they bia our bad director of sports wayala and omo kan sem na nka be 50,000 asem story ne buy na fe de sika no Apeja cost rumo se bi mu so do omo ho agim ti secretly. Yes. So met omo de na say just that it ought to be strategic. Uti.
Aka one man near start league.
Yes. So fa na make say pen koma medine dia. Omo so omo ya omo signings ni secretly. What say dia board way buy no. Omo ya omo be on the quiet. Udi steady how omo ya omo dia. How they brought on board Eric Tinkler, how omo dey even sporting director mpo eba as virtually omo be they do it on the quiet. Say if that is the tangent, if that is the way to go, no mufu sa na bebo omo amadi omo promo anya. I've got no problem with that. Just give us quality. Signings no should be strategic. But the point is that utie, ubetimi any secretly, but unveiling there yenye ni secretly. Right? What's the point na say? Because player na ba be se Kotoko Jesse abo. So we unveiling na ye ni ye honum na be ma osika. Ana meboa. Eno nso na bi mumume no be ba manfo bo say, yakofa player A, player B, were top notch. And tell us supporters by stadium. And to me appreciate it. Oh, you're near my secretly and your problem. Name me do unveiling now. You're near me be all the abra. Also, to me my enthusiasm no cost through. Meaning swagger me point to me are rich. Rich, director of sports raise a very important point. Ne foreign no. Now your idea be a comment someone maybe I can raise you all kind of the wall back no. Rich. It's what's not say what does say Ghana. Oh. The issue of fast here, many higher who in the NT so how. say I had to folks to transfer band and so me boy. Masaya me checks and pay.
Oh, he didn't think I some
yes. My me checks and pay. Me na minim say check. Otibiana took be the check ko. But truth of the matter is based on the head against Sanka Bibia. Me best studio ya Masaya me checks. Rich patch out a point and I say Masaya me checks. Na meka abom because her situation the crowd the areho ye Kotoko dia say nya abotrani abobo players e wo honom so a obo se Kotoko even without say all your signings no still obetimi aye bibi but has the no because one say Solomon Agbesi or South Africa was signed 2 years encha mo bete ho asem enti Agbesi ko say Benjamin assign amon na ka say mosre na at least first round e dey under. And it is obvious, and who himself had to focus apart from Benjamin Asari for now. Keep a bend or habit me do any afternoon. So,
as a man who I also up to now, on also does who come as on koi.
Come up the brave guso. And to reach on day, has the end idea, yen in the situation.
Okay.
And has the no another information or honey say, so what I now tell someone the sporting director, but officially on your sporting director. At the internet makers are, Besina Watara and sign contract and farmer has. Pachoti reason and they say 1 year contract no on you okay with it or pay either 2 or 3 years because sporting director there won't say a roller project in so and reach over signing player granted the same no transfer ban year left here a sporting director and any coach ebe carbon signings memoir and he has the end automatically ultimate signing for now apart from a transfer ban no one kasa and to them omwati ase say until Watara be sign official or be sign no mom and player be asem.
Okay.
So has the no but rich me issue ni issue na director sports raising no me pamocho Kotoko had to folk especially seniors mama margin ko sa issue na me pay na raise no pay rich ada intia media branch be to so mo nhwe ni di Jesse Bediako Arthur no. He is one talent our season. He mentioned he make an one some sign the ama Samatex. Uti. Obobo Edema Golden Warriors. Now the omniscience are branch and one. And pay and yan nensem na me ba can ye me say no de me pay meka uti me project no meka nensem bebre. He's a talent to watch out for. But no pay the American ye. Or say them Samatex when the Samatex aye. Samatex say man 22 official games and what's our branch and it's me bo. Apart from 22 official games, near 22 official games are rated the best training. Premier League any FA Cup. And no official games, meboa. Almost say at least also not 10 goal involvements. I was 22 official games. Then number so much there. If that's what I say go and also be assist. I was 22 matches now. Also obono. Rich unim the Samatex area. Or the press are to hold the ama abrantia no say Bema Yansan will say over Baba GSika Keku. There is a target. Teams so mu serious.
And then Kotoko ne has omunyibi.
I say na director sports kind. I am miss out say check you benya Kotoko midfielder entire season. Onye even 4-5 assists uti. Ubenya Kotoko striker.
Kotoko befa abetamwa.
Ubenya
na wafane sa abet.
Wafane sa
Memfa performance cross beyond show contract me so want me about this number of matches. One show goes to ma. If you make me a down come wako.
Mo rich. Say to sanka kwampo kwanko ntimi ma out me dey. Udie. Kwampo feel say so oti kwampo dey na wa start here oye no. Udim o feel say we entitled Kotoko bona ene dia.
O chena dwe onye didi.
Mateba bro. Mention. Say Kotoko ma premise no. Eba so say kwampo ye jawo kwan ana ye jawo kwan reason is simple. Yeah, far when you my target. Say at least also to me my 15 goals a season. Patroti. Kwame went to me and me 6 simple. And to Kwame now upon a season new year no. On one case on him swap among the Hodado. Meboa. On one anymore.
But Kwame Poku situation. You bet me a party a brand and a kakra because yebo season man along the line brand to prime.
Yes.
Ofi premu ne buy.
That be uti.
Yeah, ofi premu ba de head be affecting the performance. Ana ya la ono me nyaade.
Oh, no ye nim sa ne ma no ti your circumstances me. Eno de utimi pardon player.
Imagine che on sa issue ni here. Rich. Ewi ase ayeti. Edwuma bia ni abrabo ayebo no. omo munim ade ye no omo ha adwen kakra
omo ego
yes because when me
nti uwura adwuma bia mu a uwura efie bia mu a bebi obi wura bia no rich omo mu enim ade ye pa wo no omo ha adwen kakra Leo Messi mu omo ha adwen papa
na nyame sina Guardiola ka say me ma na enum drinker just onom drinker
so be told you the story tama Luis Enrique ba foforo and what a match ba ko bench Messi
chairman zo ko training
no fu adechi wan ko training Luis Enrique tie mo training kan so sakwa na mo ye ne hini wa ha do me do team fasade ni ndimi o one battle ne ma suspending no omo ye training na Xavi Iniesta went to his office no se
akwana o
Leo Messi ye ne ndilisa o de wa ye ne mo ho atia ye pa cho na bote ye ne kwa kasa omo ne kwa kasa ba ye no that season Luis Enrique won treble that same season yet that same season he won treble with Leo Messi Rich the fundamental and say bebia nipa e shedi dwumadi bia omo ya de pa even abusio mu kra no mo wo sika mo de omo ha adwen but Rich you do what we call management of those people you have to manage them min kwachiri Kotoko ya go and ask previous managers about titi administrations how they've dealt with some stubborn players in the club. I'm a true man how hard
to the best. Me I mean
do you remember Benjamin Benechampo?
Benechampo. On
Angola ba
no
stubborn players I won't stubborn players. Okay, Nancy Akra Yaya Mohammed. Yaya Lukaku. I mean, we don't have time.
Now that was first. Now don't bother me now.
The point I am making is say, and conform ni madwuma no. There's a certain level of some harding, but that is the reason why adwuma space be our managers.
Team manager not already.
They are supposed to manage those players to get the best out of those players, no matter how harding. Mimi mbo play bi edin but which say oya ade na wo ha adwen a we will manage you but the moment o performance aba start a dropping no enti afei yes so because oya ade ntia say sa ade na wo ye na anu nti no ye manage you no to keep you here no say estansa e ko for mu a you become naked. The management ends with also be they will allow you to leave. As some me came here, so be a team be any where baby I'm there some nam. And maybe a chemuno. Maybe a sebi udi foolish crana. Na the institution about who buying because you are given a certain resource. Yes. They will manage you. But said the only moment maybe a more. Rich, nobody.
No, of course.
And the best source. That is where they will start telling you, oh, you are a bad nut. Oh, you katibone, you jama from our best and katirina. Why you say? You ask yourself, but Sana Matia, no, in the past we were given a certain resource, and today now we are near be any guso. But so you should go in the much to pass in the if your value in the team is to take off from one, Rich, you will be as naked as Obi Free bathroom, and nobody will protect you. That is why some players at Kotoko are being asked to leave. Where are my resource? Also, you want to keep up with your ego as if you were a superstar. There is no way sad two situations, can happen within a team. Many man will see in just 10 seconds. Look, 1 month to the start of the season. Adi and they say both Kotoko and Haas are doing what ne wasn't come here during the off season. during this preseason. And until I show no more question. Rich. Na IMC no more for Moju Media Mary. And now open so be name me the new board.
Of course. Yes.
What was the purpose of it? To ensure continuity. Over half of the season, went me and to management. Went me and set up a plan in motion. To start your year season now. Your plan will be set in motion. Rich, board no paper, they are good people. Me, I've heard a lot of things they want to do. But timing in football, no, Rich, and trying there's a football calendar. And my expectations, they say, no was a Kotoko board, no. Time open so name you munano. They should have started planning
behind the season.
Who are they bringing in? Some men's on now. What bonny to order that coach we and what for not to order that. Etika options your bosses in here now. You start naming your management, your technical structure, whatever you wanted to do. You name it off season, and by this time, Kotoko should move with the speed of light. How's the crowd here? The German can say. Has a transfer banda a limiting I went to me last season. You know. They knew said they had to take care of it and son a beer could be a moment maybe also maybe. Ever since now, after 1 month, season, you know, you are still in the process of paying there. Rich, your seriousness is known to your people.
Rich, seriously.
Your time no.
Rich.
What's your name? And come on,
because any other two. Targets,
no, but mean seriously, if the Kotoko has in yes, I am
no, they don't do it. Rich, maybe there are so many players of Kotoko has how crayon once a business number down to maybe what me check a B record 2-3 seasons, Nego and do even 8 midfielders on team criti on your BBR, yet they are told that because they don't do it. Now, I say raise your debate, and also one young partner.
Okay,
management of players. And maybe NSA promo time. I did BC, maybe amount. So I'm in any panic.
I will Jones or any more pie. It become a yaw, any moja idiot, and I would